Yep, another late night. Working on Valkyrie, but before the end of the night, she'll be started again. And we're gonna take her out to play. Let's get into it. So, old girl has seen better days, but look at that. That is gorgeous. Something's back. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get that posted up, and we're gonna get the brackets and everything fitted back on, and we're gonna start this this big girl back up. I didn't think you guys wanted another Silverado video, so I figured it was time for Boost again. So let's get into it. Eric's on the way, so let's see where he's at. Hey, buddy.
Don't judge no fat person.
Been a hot minute since you've been on the vlog, man.
Oh, well, hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, woo. Money.
Yeah.
I don't think people like my Silverado videos.
Well, you know, eat a bag of dicks.
See? There you go. Perfect.
I mean,
perfect response.
Shit.
The whole bag of dicks.
If you don't like it, tough shit. Don't watch it.
Unsubscribe. I don't give a fuck.
Oh my God.
But
It's yours? Fuck no!
I told everybody, hey, Boost, going back on the car tonight, so
Boost.
maybe you could be happy again.
And if not, you know.
Repeat step one. Hey, so I already checked the coolant, topped that back off because where it depressurized from the system, it was releasing some of that.
I don't doubt it.
So I leveled that back out. But everything should be pretty easy to walk through here.
Yeah, sounds good to me. Shit. Then walk through it, baby. Do it.
Yeah. Hey, I said I was able to drive a car. I was able to race a car. I never said I knew shit about mechanics.
I don't know shit either. That's why everything breaks.
That's comforting.
Alright, well.
Anyway, what do you want to get accomplished tonight?
Just eating a bag of dicks?
I mean now, not after.
Oh, well, that's, yeah. Just get the damn thing back on, and that way I can go home.
Let's get her started tonight too.
Started.
I'm gonna take her on a little baby cruise, since I gotta break in that new beautiful thing in the box behind me.
Hey.
Hey.
And he's not talking about me.
Oh wow. That right there. That thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's get it.
Previous video, we had said that you can't take it off because of the bracket, which is wrong, because all you have to do is actually take this front part off and it'll come off.
Yep.
As you can kind of see. So it's not nearly as bad as what I thought it was.
I just discovered something, and we're going to turn off the camera and talk about it. Okay, take two. What?
Take two.
So you were saying last time that, like, taking supercharger off, that metal piece in the front of the bracketing that sits against the fan shroud right there.
Yeah, you know, I mean, you learn stuff. I mean, that's just the way it goes.
Yeah, just keep breaking stuff, and eventually you'll learn all of it.
And the more you break, the more you get to take off, and the better you get at it. You know, just think of it as on-the-job training.
White people.
I am definitely a white person.
Oh no, we know.
I just tan really well.
I need to pay somebody to detail this engine so I can laugh at them. Hey, can you take care of? No, I can't.
Oh, you want someone to laugh at you? That's what it is. But yeah, you out your mind, fool.
That's pretty much what I would expect.
Yep. That's exactly what I'd expect from them too. I'm just guessing this is gonna work this way. I don't really know, because I'll still have to actually get that on there. So I'm just hoping.
Alright, Jesus Christ, this fucking guy. Brush him up, what just happened?
We got shit done. Yeah, no, actually it went on pretty easy. One thing is, you want to get this front piece on first. This piece right here.
Yeah.
Put that on before you bolt all that up, because yeah, I didn't do that, and you know, it was
It's a bit of a pain in the ass to
but at least I didn't have to take it back off. We got a little bit of a curvature here from the prying, but you know, hey.
I don't know what he's talking about, guys. I would never do that to Valkyrie.
He's right. He never would. I would though.
So true.
But yeah, it was pretty easy.
Now we have to jump start her because she's dead.
She's been sitting for a while, guys, so we gotta get her.
Hey, we gave her a good break. She needed some sleep. There you go.
Oh, she did.
Hey, look, the Silverado made an appearance for all you people who don't like the fucking Silverado. So there you go. Now we're gonna
jump it. So what you gotta do is you gotta go like this.
And Eric, everyone.
Eric, he's back.
Oh god.
Yes. At least I didn't go like that.
Hey, tell them what they get to see next week go in the car.
Hooters? We're gonna go get it car washed at the Bikini Car Wash?
No, the fuck we're not. Them crazy bimbos will scratch the fuck out of my car.
Well, yeah, because they're probably gonna be fake tips and they're gonna be hard, but you know.
Ugh.
Oh, no, we're going to put I don't know.
The BC Racing coilovers. Hey man, yeah, you gotta take the plastic piece off.
I took the plastic piece off. And just flipped the fuck off.
You literally took it off.
I took it off. We're gonna put the coilovers on there.
Oh, she dead.
And play fire a lot.
Yeah. So not only are the coilovers going on, but we also have to deal with the adjustable control arms because I have a ball joint that has gone bad on the driver's side of this thing.
Yeah, she is dead.
Hey! Oh my god! Hey girl! Start the truck.
Oh yeah, she gonna start. It ain't got to.
Okay, here we go. We are back! Goddamn right.
For all you Dodge people. Yep.
Yes, sir. So, there it is. Supercharger's back on. You're gonna get some more Valkyrie content. It's hot as fuck out here. It is past midnight. Eric's going home. I'm going to drive. Like, share, subscribe, all that crazy shit. See y'all next week. Stay savage.